Let's compare the Cosmos layering stencil from Craftreat with the Pinkfresh Studios Garden Roses layering stencil. Both of them are intended to create layered images, but the Craftreat one has all the layers on one stencil, whereas the Pinkfresh Studios ones has several different layers on several different stencils. So each stencil has its own layer. For both of them, you can use different inks, sprays, pastes. Here I'm using some Distress Oxide inks with some Distress glazes. So I'm getting some opacity from the pigment in the oxide ink, but I'm also getting some transparency from the embossing glaze. And layering them on top of each other, I get a nice shimmery, glossy image, and it's a great way to create a card front. The Pinkfresh Studios stencil, like I said, all of the different layers have their own stencil, so you don't need to mask off different areas. There's 5 different stencils in this set, and you just need to make sure to tape them down to make sure that you get your layer secure while you're ink blending. Once again, you can use whatever inks you're wanting to use. You could also use pastes or sprays. All of the stencils from both sets create different images that you can use in paper crafting or card making. They do a great job of creating detailed images. They just do it in a little bit of a different way from each other.